Nadadalas nga daw ang pagsasama nila Bea Alonso at Vincent Co na ito ay napopost sa social media. Spotted nga sa isang event ngayon sila Bea Alonso at Vincent Co. Hindi lamang si Vincent Co ang kasama ni Bea Alonso, kundi pati na rin ang pamilya nito. Spotted na kasama ni Bea at Vincent ang mami ni Vincent at ang kanyang kapatid. Well, hindi naman nabanggit kung nandito ba ang dad ni Vincent Co. But anyway, ilang mga netizen ang nagsabi na open na nga daw talaga si Bea Alonso sa family ni Vincent. At kung saan, narito nga ang naging say naman at opinion ng mga netizen hinggil dito. Anila, mukhang bagay sila and I can sense siya ang ending ni Bea. I am so happy for Bea, to bagay sa kanya. Ayan na nga at no confirmation needed. Mukhang sinasanay na rin na madalas silang makita in public together. Ay, napapadalas na ang sighting nila. I love it for Bea and Vincent. Vincent is obviously a proud BF. Ang sweet palaging nakahawak kay Bea. Body language says it all. I got you, land on me, I'll protect you. Say naman ng isang netizen, the problem for this relationship is that Bea has to assimilate into a very traditional Chinese family whose values are so different from hers. They're very strict and they think very differently. Plus the language barrier when the family gets together. They will get married and she will bear him the kids he needs to carry on the lineage of the Co family. But those kids will never be hers to raise because of the lineage. So Bea has to really make sure and think twice because her life will be very different when she marries into their family. True, not sure kung half Chinese si Vincent or pure-blooded Chinese na born dito. Pero kahit ano pa sa dalawa, iba pa din ang pananaw nila sa buhay. Sana kung sila ang ending game, ready silang dalawa sa mga differences. May kakilala kasi akong pure Chinese, pero dito sila ipinanganak mula pa sa lolo't lola nila. Ang gusto lang nilang pakasalan ng mga anak nila ay pure Chinese. Ayaw nila kahit Pilchi. Kaya sana talaga huwag mahirapan si Bea ang makisama sa pamilya niya. Isang netizen naman ang ipinagtanggol ang relasyon ng dalawa at sinabi niyang why so quick to assume so much about the guy's family. If they are not open to heaven and Chinese joining their family, they'll nip it in the bud. Di na paaabutin pa sa stage na magkaseryosohan. I've never liked Bea, especially these last few years, lalong after her last breakup. Parang sa few dating rumors na lumalabas before this, para bang meron siyang tinatarget na market to prove something to people and upgrade herself. But since mukhang seryosohan na to, I'm happy for her. Sana it's genuine love, hindi lang dahil sa pera at sa status. Sino man ang isa, problema na yun ni Bea. Sana sila na talaga. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.